Spice Girls tour hit with awful sound problems for second night. Fans of the Spice Girls are demanding refunds after the girl group's long-anticipated reunion tour was plagued by sound problems for the second consecutive night. Several attendees complained they struggled to hear the British band during their performance at the Principality Stadium in Cardiff, Wales, on Monday night, with some saying the problems ruined the experience. Amazing. Those. The tour marks the first performances by the 90s act for 9 years, and both venues the group have played have been packed with fans. But the event is quickly becoming overshadowed by technical issues the band were on Friday, which had kicked off their comeback tour. Cardiff resident Claire White said on Twitter she left Monday's show after around half an hour, saying she was feeling. However, many fans said they did not experience any sound issues from their positions, and others said the problem wasn't bad enough to impact their evening. Yes. Emma Baby. The group achieved worldwide popularity in the 1990s before disbanding in 2000. They have reunited Victoria Beckham, or Posh.
Raindrops, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park.